Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I go by name is Oban, and if it's your first time of seeing this amazingness, please don't make it your last. I always say to stay subscribed. We have an amazing time on this channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, it's just going to be a DIY filming setup with zero cash. No money at all, no money required. If you're like me on this Sakpa journey, that we don't have money, we're broke, this is definitely for you. Just doing simple and easy DIY. I know you don't know what's going on at the background, but basically I did this myself with just the things I saw in the house with zero cash, guys. I mean every word I say. And the other videos on my channel, the whole place was put together and so fine, so aesthetic, but something happened, the whole house was ruined, and we got a place that is in fact. So basically this came from a place of creativity. This came from a place of creativity, and when I thought about this and I reasoned, I had to crack my head, and when I did it, it came out so well, and that's why we have this beauty here. That's why we have all this beauty, all this glitz and glam that you guys don't see what really happens. So we're just going to get right into the whole setup. I'm going to take everything down so that we can get down to business. And this is a disclaimer, I am not a pro, and plus you can also get these things from the comfort of your home. You can get everything I used was from the comfort of my home without any stress. I just thought about what was going to give me that aesthetic vibe, that aesthetically pleasing that I get. So you can just get it from the comfort of your home. And I'll probably be doing more DIYs on this channel. So if this is for you, if you are a YouTuber, a beginner actually, and you're looking for something, or your room is off, you can just add these touches and switches, and yeah, let's get into the video. So yes, apparently this is what the room looks like here. This is what it looks like. Please ignore a lot of things that you're seeing, but this is how the room looks like. My bed is a mess. I have a mirror here. I'm going to take everything down, so I'm just going to take you guys through the process and what you can get in the comfort of your home. So I have a mirror here that I use to see myself if the phone is on or camera is on or something. I have my ring lights. The sun is still very much available for me, so I make use of that. Now these are all my books, and then this rubber from kitchen area, and then this is just like a regular dry plant I saw outside, and I just picked it up and said, okay, let's just make do with it. And I picked it up, and then this bottle was actually used for a drama. No, I didn't drink it. It was actually used for a stage play, and then we used it to act. And then that's a custard rubber. You would need two LED lights, I think that's what they call it, and then this bag, this craft, you can get a mat that looks like this basket. This is an empty bottle I saw in the house. I picked. This is my roommate's bag. She's going to kill me. And this is the books that I'm currently reading. I'm currently reading this. So I just thought to bring out all my books, like all my novels, And this material is a hair tie. Funny enough, this is a hair tie, and if you can see the inside, so it's more like a crepe material. It's like elastic, and then I have nails. So I'm going to put you guys on a tripod so that I can just remove everything and show you. Okay guys, so this is just how the wall looks, and I already put my nail here because I just removed it just to show you guys. If you want or you like, you can just get a wall hook. So this is like a crepe material. It's elastic. You can actually get, I think this should be like, give or take 2 yards or 1.5 yards. Yeah, but to be safe, you can just get for 2 yards. But this is, like I said, a hair tie, a white hair tie. So you can just get it. Then I used a rubber band. I don't know if you guys can see this. I used like rubber bands to hold the ends of this part. Yes, and then I tied the bottom area. So I'm just going to place this on the wall. So I have nothing less than 9 nails here. You can use 10 if you want, maybe to tack up here, but it would have been 10. But I'm using there's a hook here where I can just hang the cloth, and then let's just put this. So this is done, and I'm going to put this here. And then I'll drag it. I think that's just the essence of all these nails I put here. And drag. And then I place this here. I try to drag it to give you that fine stretch. So just drag the material. The final one should be here. So this should give you something like this. You can just hold it up, and then you just get your table. This table is a reading table. Yeah, my roommate. And then I'll just place it here, and I got this dry plant outside. Just go and pick anything that you feel is your aesthetic. Just pick it. And this bottle, you can just use a regular bottle, not necessarily this. And then something that you can use to elevate your plants. As you can see, it's already coming together. This is just a regular white shirt. So I just picked it up, and I felt like it went with this whole background. I'll place it here on the table, and then just get more things. Books. Rained it. As you can see, it's all coming to life. Imagine your creation coming to life. Now, this is the most tricky part I enjoy doing. Now, this is a regular scrub container. Yeah, I'm using it to elevate and make it look like it's on something. I was going to do a DIY candle to put here in the whole background, and I'll still do that, but for now let's just do this. Bring it, anything to just bring this baby to life. Okay, now when there is no lights, like here in Nigeria, if you're watching from outside the country, yeah, we do this a lot. We don't have lights all the time. So when there is no light, I just would make use of this because it's doable. So I'll just place it here to enhance this space, bring the light here, and then down here. I'm thinking on doing something different down here, but when I do that, I'll let you guys know. So I also got this fixed so that when there's light, this would like enhance the whole background if possible. Or I'll just do another like DIY softbox. I'm thinking about it, but I'll just make do with that. So this is going to just lie around. I do not have an extra tripod, and using your ring light with your tripod sometimes would give you that circle in your eyes, and which is not really good. So I would just literally use the plastic, the rubber, those rubbers I got to just, you know. Anyway, I'm open to sponsorship. If you want to get me a tripod as a gift and a blessing, you're very much welcome. I accept the love. So this is basically it. This is what it looks like. It's just a simple setup. Please don't forget your mirror. Do not forget your mirror. Do not forget your mirror. It's like a broken mirror, but it's like doable. If you don't have a ring light, make use of your natural light. It's just what will suffice for the time being until you get one. So basically this is just my setup. It's simple yet sweet. In the long run, we're going to change all this. You guys know the drill. You know the drill, yeah. But this is just how the setup is, and it's very simple, easy to do. You can just do it. Okay, come to the end of this video. If you love this type of content, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be so delighted to do more of this. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell. If this was helpful, let me know in the comment section. Bye guys.